So now the last video, we learned how to navigate the web application. This video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the mobile application. I'm using an Android, but the steps are still the same if you're using an iPhone or an iPad. So what we're going to do is go to the alarm.com app, enter your username and password, then we're going to log in. Once you log in, the home screen, if you have cameras, the same as the web application, however your system is configured, you will see this here on the home screen. So where it says documents is where you can store some of your vehicle documents, your property documents, if you choose to do so. If you choose to do something like that, to upload your documents to here, you can do that to scan a picture and upload them to keep them in a safe place. You can edit your dashboard. Right below documents, you have weather. You can get the snapshot of what the weather is going to be today, or you can get your 5-day forecast. You could also edit your dashboard. If you have other things like a home security system, access control system, smart home and automation, garage. If you have other features and other products installed on your alarm.com portal, you will be able to configure it here. And that's how your home screen will actually look. So once you configure your dashboard, you will be able to see all of your products and services here on the main screen. Now, over at the bottom, we have video, activity, discover, and we have more. Over in the videos tab, here you will have all of your live recorded footage here in your videos tab. You have all of your saved clips in your videos tab, usually 3 to 5 minutes. Over in the top right, you have this gear icon. Here you can add a device. If you install new cameras, new system, new anything, you will be able to add it there. It just has to be connected to your network, whether it be Wi-Fi or hard connection straight to your network. And then you'll be able to see it here, so that way you can actually add it to your system. Up top where it says recording rules, you can give the rules on how it should be recorded, whether it be motion, continuous, you see somebody that leave a package. Any way you want to configure it, you can pretty much configure it inside here on the mobile app, same as on the web. Since I don't have any devices actually here installed, I won't be able to actually set it up. Next tab over is your activities tab. Same as the web app. If you log in, wherever you log in at is going to be here. However many users you have is going to be here. If you have, open door, it's going to be here. Whatever the activity is on your system is actually going to be here. Next tab over is your discovery tab. As the web app, here you will find more information about alarm.com, how to use the system, more features about the system, and how you could actually expand your system. If you want to take this to a home security, or if you want to increase your business security, you could also do that with alarm.com. And with the hamburger menu, with the more menu, at the top we have users. Here is where we can add additional users, user first name, user last name, and they'll be able to have access to this particular app. Reports, here you will get your reports of who logged into the system, the login summary. If you have multiple users, you will get that information here as well. Notification, this is how you will be notified. Any alerts that's on the system is going to send you either email or text message. It can be a lot, so you may want to filter that out. Places, this is your geographic location, wherever the system is actually installed. This would be your geolocation. Automations, this is how you can set up the system. If I had devices, I can show you how to set this up. But if you do want to set this up on a one-on-one basis, don't forget you could just click down below, book a call, and we could set up a Zoom one-on-one session, and I can walk you through it, or I could actually do it for you while you watch me do it. Here, you can just set up different things. So if someone leaves a package, or someone, like you see there's a bunch of books here, if someone removed this book here and now the camera doesn't see it, you can have that send you an alert because something had changed on that video. Account management, this is how you can manage your account. You have your account information, all the information for your account. You have your system information, what the system is, if you like to use Fahrenheit versus Celsius. You have your property information. If it's a single family house, a business, whatever it is, you will have your information there. And your move portal. So if you're moving your location, you can take your alarm.com system and services along with you. Do not have to leave it there and have a whole new system installed in a new place. We can move your whole location over to the new area. Manage devices. Here you will manage all of the devices that are connected, the users. So whomever are the users have this connected to their phone, tablet, web, whatever, it will be here. Alarm mode setting, you share this if you want your device with other logins during an alarm. So if there's an alarm going off in your particular area, do you want to share access to your system? Login information, this is where you can change your information, your security questions. I recommend you enable two-factor authentication so that way you can make sure that your system is actually safe, protected, encrypted, and everything. Only you have the login access and whomever the users you give access to. You can link your devices if you have other systems. If you have business systems and a couple of home systems, you can put them all together. You have your app settings. You can have your appearance, light, dark, or automatic. Location services, if you want to enable biometrics or passcode. Link system, same thing. If you have a business and you want to add your home, this is how you can link your system. Just put the username and password. Here in the feature suggestions, this is going to let you know what you can add to your system, what other features and products that we sell with the Alarm.com product. Inside of feature suggestions, here you're going to find other offers, other products that you can actually add to your Alarm.com system. You got some thermostats, you got some smart key locks, you got garage access, light switches, water management systems, connected car, so no one could ever steal your car. Flex IO, you get security without boundaries. Smart solar integration, you enhance your business plan with video analytics. It's a bunch of different things you could have with your Alarm.com system. Also, you have an app tour. This is pretty much the same thing that we're doing now live, but you can actually see here visually, if you scroll through, what are the features and how you can actually control this particular application for the Alarm.com. Also, here we have refer a friend. If you have a friend that's interested in getting this protected, you get $50 off of your credit. So every person you recommend, you get $50 off. So you can have a free month or free couple of months. Here is where you will find our information. The phone number there is incorrect. I need to change that, but it's 845-445-6446. That is the number you can call to put in for service. But the email, you can send us an email, you can put a support ticket, and the help documentation will be there for you if you need additional information on how to actually work your system. You have video tutorials, you have the website app, and you have some featured articles to help you understand your system. If you're moving, like I said earlier, you can click there so you can transfer all your services, send us a request so that way we can take out your system and then go install it over into your new place. Here you can review the app. I suggest you review the app, and I suggest you also give us a review on how we actually provided this service for you, how we protected you, if we did anything right, if we did anything wrong. We want to hear from you. Here you will see about this app, the privacy application, the terms and condition, and you can also learn a little bit more about Alarm.com. You can find out everything you need to know about Alarm.com, who they are, who they serve, where they came from, and what systems and products and how they serve and protect the people out there in the United States and across the world. And at the end, you can just log out once you finish with the application. You can log right out once you finish setting everything up, or if you finish looking at video clips or whatever it is that you're doing. So that is the full tutorial of how to use this on a mobile app. If you want one-on-one help, don't forget, you could book a call with us so we could set up a Zoom session. We remote in. You could either watch us do it, or we could let you do it, let you drive the wheel, and walk you through it step by step. Okay? I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.